Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have to seen that the LS coupling. Okay, in which LS coupling we have to seen that the L bar vector having the L1 plus L2 and L3 and so on. Then the S bar vector having the subvectors are S1 plus S2 and so on. Then combine this L plus S, we will get the resultant of J bar. Okay, this is all about the LS coupling. Okay, in this lecture we will discuss here the another one important coupling called as the JJ coupling. Okay, in which in this type of coupling the S1 star of one electron is quantized with respect to L1 star, and the resultant for this L1 star and S1 star gives the resultant for J1 star. Okay, and the value of J, it will take the 1/2. Okay, means suppose this J1 star is equal to, it is a combination for L1 star plus S1 star, and J2 star, it is a combination for L2 star plus S2 star, and the resultant for this J1 and J2, we will get the value of J. Okay, J star is equal to J1 star plus J2 star. Okay, in which LS coupling L1 plus L2 gives the resultant of L bar and S1 plus S2 gives the resultant of S bar. Then the resultant of these two vectors L and S gives the resultant of J. But in this JJ coupling, the L1 plus S1 gives the J1 and L2 plus S2 gives J2, and the resultant for these two vectors J1 and J2 gives the resultant for J star. Okay, here we have to taking here one example which is based on this JJ coupling. Okay, and then you have to solve the problem which is based on this JJ coupling. First I have to write here diagram. Okay, diagrammatically this is the S1 vector that will be coupled with one L1 vector, L1 star are coupled with this S1 star, and this L1 plus S1 gives the resultant of J1 star. Okay, then this S2 star are coupled with L2 star, and L2 plus S2 gives the resultant for J2 star, and this J1 plus J2 gives the resultant for this J star. Okay, this is as simple as. Okay, this must be the too much simple. S1 plus L1 gives J1, S2 plus L2 gives J2, and this J1 plus J2 gives J bar. Okay, for example I have to taken here the similar example for a PD configuration. Okay, for a p electron, we have to calculate the spectral terms by using the JJ coupling. For p electron, L1 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1/2. Then J1 is equal to L1 plus S1 and L1 minus S1, L1 plus S1 and L1 minus S1, 1 plus 1/2 and 1 minus 1/2 gives 1/2 and 3/2. This is the J values. Okay, and for D electron, L1 is equal to 2 and S2 is equal to 1/2, L2 is equal to 2 and S2 is equal to 1/2. Therefore J2 is equal to L2 plus S2 and L2 minus S2. Okay, this will be the L2 plus S2 and L2 minus S2 is equal to 2 plus 1/2 and 2 minus 1/2. We will get the value of 3/2 and 5/2. Okay, this is the value of J1 and J2. Now combining these all four values in all possible J's. Okay, means J1 1 half, J1 is combined with these 3 half, 1 half, 3 half, 1 half, 5 half, then 3 half, 3 half, or 3 half, 5 half. Okay, means the value of J1 is equal to 1 half and 3 half, and J2 is equal to 3/2 and 5/2. Okay, J1 is equal to 1 half, 3 half, and J2 is equal to 3/2 and 5/2. Okay, first we have to calculate the total angular momentum. So first J1 is equal to 1 half and J2 is equal to 3 half. Then resultant for this J is equal to 1 half plus 3 half, 1 half plus 3 half, and 1 half minus 3 half is equal to 4/2, 2, and 3/2 minus 1, means 2/2 means 1. Okay, the value of J is equal to 1 and 2. Then J1 is equal to 1 half and J2 is equal to 5/2. Then J is equal to 5/2 plus 1/2 and 5/2 minus 1/2 is equal to 3 and 2. Okay, J is equal to 3 and 2. Then third, J1 is equal to 3/2, J1 is equal to 3/2 and J2 is equal to 3/2, J2 is equal to 3/2. Then the value of J is equal to 3/2 plus 3/2 and 3/2 minus 3/2. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6/2, 3, and this will be 0. Therefore the total terms are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then this J1 is equal to 3/2 and J2 is equal to 5/2. J1 is equal to 3/2 and J2 is equal to 5/2. Then the value of J is equal to 5/2 plus 3/2 and 5/2 minus 3/2 is equal to 5 minus 3, 2/2, 1, and 5/2, 3 minus 5/2 minus 3/2, 5 minus 3, 5 plus 3, 8/2, 4, and this will be 1. Means the spectral terms are 1, 2, 3 and 4, etc. Okay, this is all about the JJ coupling. Okay, similarly by using JJ coupling we have to draw the vector diagram for this LS coupling, JJ coupling. Okay, you have already know the how was write the draw the vector diagram for this LS coupling. Okay, if you have any doubt then ask me. Thank you. In the next lecture we have to see that the interaction energies for a LS coupling and some problems which is based on this interaction coupling. Okay, thank you.